Toyota Corolla. We did a resonator delete, left the original catalytic converters on it. Those Corollas come with two catalytic converters, one here, one here. Then we did a resonator delete, we put a 2 1/4 tailpipe in its place and left the rest of the pipe normal into a 2 1/4 intermediate pipe and a stainless steel muffler with a chrome tip, stainless steel tip. There it is. Deleted the resonator and the original muffler. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like it? It's nice and deep. Corolla. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.